are doing Don't Choose the Wrong Bucket
Slime challenge.
And we've got Lily. She's not a part of this challenge. Lily. Look how big she's getting.
Her legs look so long. Lily, are you tired? Lily, are you so sleepy? Poor Lily.
And we thought that these buckets were kind of fun because they look like summer, and it's not summer anymore because we're going back to school and I'm desperate.
By the way, you guys, I lost my voice yesterday, so if I'm a little quiet, you'll know why.
They're both kind of sick. I'm not though. Alrighty guys, if you're new to our channel, I'm Annalise.
I'm Julia. And I'm Rachel. They're fraternal twins, and I'm their older sister.
We would love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
If you do, you'll become part of our CG family.
So let us know on Instagram if you've done those things, and you might get a shout out at the end. Let's get started! We'll have 4 rounds. 3 of the buckets will have ingredients that match their color.
3 will not.
If you get one that matches, you get a point.
If you don't,
well, you don't get a point. So may the best crafter go win. But first, we need a bowl of clear glue. Okay. Hey, we got a bowl of clear glue. All right. My mom said that we're not allowed to have spoons because we always end up stirring it before the camera's on, stirring it, and then we get in trouble.
First, you're gonna turn around.
All right, Mother.
I'm gonna load your buckets. You may turn around.
Ow.
glitter.
Does it match your bucket?
It doesn't.
It does.
It does.
It's as close as I could get.
Rachel.
Oh,
She stuck the bottle. You can't help it, can you?
I'm sorry.
Pink.
Woohoo!
Wait, if we all get it right, then there's only gonna be bad. Oh, going for green.
All right.
But I got purple! Can I pour it in?
Apparently, this cold that I went through has made me half blind, so I couldn't see the glue in my bowl, or I didn't remember it was there.
Wait, is there only one more good one?
Yes.
Oh.
Now everybody choose your bucket before pulling your item out.
Okay. I was going for that. Whatever. 3, 2. She got it right.
Rachel got blue. 2 blues.
I lost.
What color did you get?
Silver.
Silver. What did you get, Julia?
Green.
Green. Okay.
What are really pretty colors?
You may use as much of an item as you want. It has to be fair, though. So Julia's got really pretty colors. That's actually the color of my bedroom when I was a little girl.
Really?
Pink and green. Ooh, that's gorgeous.
Oh, the best part is it's clear slime, so glitter match.
Did you pour it in already?
Yep. Sorry.
You poured it in without me?
Yes.
It is round 2, and the buckets have been magically filled by my mom. She wouldn't, would she? She would.
Green pigment, guys.
White pigment, like my white.
All right, next
I
one.
officially lost. No, she left me to get the bad one. I got the good one.
I lost a point. I got white. Okay.
Bad. It has green in it.
White.
Good.
Blue. 2 points.
2 points.
1 point. You get 1 point.
1 point. But I have 2 points altogether. If I added as many many beads as there are there, it would still be so much more because those beads are so small.
Rachel's got a completely blue slime.
It is round 4, our last and final round. You just purposely picked the blue. Oh my god, Dice! And it's our blue, so. I lost. Brown clay. Wait, brown clay.
What did Julia get?
I hate clay, guys. I literally hate clay.
You don't have to use very much.
I don't want any clay.
So the winner of this challenge is
Me! Lucky, so lucky. Jessica, how could you?
I'm gonna sneeze on you. Okay, so this is technically, I swear it's gonna look like purple. I did it purple. Start adding my outfit up.
I'm just kind of, stirring away.
What?
I'm stirring away from someone. Oh, this is so gorgeous.
I have the prettiest slime.
No, I do.
Ooh, I kind of like the way that there's 2 different size beads and all that glitter makes the beads.
I have 2 different size beads too. Bunion. I've never had bunions, and they probably, or I don't know. Would I want a crispy onion? There's so much in here. No, I've played this game before.
I'm not gonna yell in your ear, I can't.
No,
I can't yell.
You're gonna cough, and you're gonna spray bacteria into my eardrums, and I'm just gonna, no, not today.
If anybody spills their whole bowl of slime on my carpet, you're all in trouble.
You can grab my hand sanitizer.
Annalise, go sit down.
You gonna pour some down your ears?
She's a drama queen.
Yep.
Smell me. Ah! What
I'm gonna
happened?
yell in your ear now, okay?
It's not funny.
Shut up my eyes.
You sprayed in her eyes.
Essential oils.
Oh god.
The best part is Rachel can't scream, so her scream was like, and Annalise went tumbling back in her chair. Thank you.
Stop.
Look at my slime. It's the only one that's actually completely done.
Woo! It's so pretty. Annalise,
I know, I am. Thank you. I know.
You're gonna have that.
whoever is not done with their slime in the next 1 minute doesn't get chocolate for a month. 10.
Right.
Clay. Use the whole one.
No. This is my slime before the clay is totally mixed in.
Here's my slime before the clay.
So pretty.
Alright, Mom, this is what I'm adding.
Wow. Whoa, that's gorgeous. Hold on a minute.
Without the yellow, it's gorgeous. Just wait till the yellow happens.
So Rachel, is your yellowing?
Not yet.
Mom, do you want to hear a song?
No.
Hit or miss. I guess they never miss, huh? I'm putting in my brown clay. I don't really know how I feel about it.
Here goes my yellow.
There goes your sound. It kind of looks like the earth and then pollution. I love the feel feeling play before it goes into slime. It's like touching a cloud. And then you say peace. Oh, that was cool. Here's my finished slime.
It's so sticky.
It isn't sticky. Oh, I'm the only one that can handle stickiness in my house. Here are our finished slimes. Oh, hello there. Quick, up close, shall we? That was pretty fun. Congratulations, Rachel, I guess, for winning.
Yep.
But I will be next time.
I'll cuff you into losing.
Alright.
I can't see ya.
But now it is time for shout out.
Where the strange people are at. Helen Baxter.
And Sarah Rasa.
Thank you so much for being part of our CG family. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. We love you guys so much.